How to make an NFT.
That's hot. That's a nice guy right there. Open up Google Chrome. Before we get into the NFTs, I think I see a good little buy opportunity here on US 30, so I'm gonna take it. 10, open up MetaTrader. Yeah. And here we are. First thing we gotta do is choose a lot size. Let's go with 3. Sell. Immediately, there we go. All right. Yeah, look at that. All right, we'll check on that after we publish the NFT. Here's how you do it. Open Google Chrome. MetaMask. Password. I have no money in this account because I am poor. If you have a Mac, check this out. I learned this the other day. If you have 2 screens open, right? To put it in split screen, all you do is hold on that tab right there, and it does it for you. Like that. Then you go to OpenSea. Open this bad boy up. So these are the NFTs that I have now. Here's the NFT I just created. Save image. Now that I have that saved, you go back over here, you hit create. It's going to ask you to sign in. Then it's going to take you to this page. Click there. That's NFT there. Boom. It's there. I'm going to name this one Bitcoin Puppy. You can provide a description. I usually don't. Supply is how many you're going to have in the series. I'm just going to make this one just for example. Now, the blockchain. This is where you want to put it. I always go with Polygon. When publishing any NFT to the blockchain, there's something called a gas fee. You have to pay to put it on the blockchain. With Polygon, you don't have to. The buyer pays the gas fee, so it's free. Hit create. Bam. You created Bitcoin Puppy. Now that you've created it, you got to put it up for sale. So I'm selling Ethereum. Then you got to put the amount. Let's say, for example, I want it for 1. That's $3,832. Let's go 0.055. That's $210. How long it's for sale? Let's do 6 months. Fees. You could change this fee to whatever you want. Basically, what that fee means is anytime this NFT is sold, I earn a certain percentage. So right now it's at 2.5. I could change it to 5%, 10%, whatever. So for life, whoever sells it, whoever buys it from me, whoever sells it, I collect a fee. Complete listing. Complete your listing. Unlock. Boom. Sign. A lot of signatures. Sign again. Another sign. Bam. Your NFT is listed. I go back to my profile, and there it is for the world to buy. Bam. Travis's NFT. Hope this helped you guys out. Now let's see how my Forex trade went.